Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to stop Microsoft PowerPoint from autocorrecting technical words and special abbreviations. This instantly blocks the background proofing engine from forcefully overriding your unique coding strings, IT shorthand, or custom product naming layouts, keeping your text exactly the way you type it onto the slide. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout and click the large button explicitly headed AutoCorrect Options. A secondary properties box will open instantly. Locate the main tracking list showing words that automatically swap out as you type. Find the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Replace Text as you type. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the real-time text substitution engine from running in the background. Alternatively, if you want to keep regular autocorrect active but protect specific words, leave it checked. Type your abbreviation into the Replace box, select it from the list below, and click the Delete button to remove its override rule permanently. Click the OK button at the bottom of the AutoCorrect window, then click OK again on the main configuration panel to lock your text entry tracking choices into the system core. And that's it! Your unhindered technical text layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.